I sold my Toncoin for the following reasons. Number one, we are now seeing a series of lower highs. Okay, so this high is lower than this high. Okay, and this high is also lower than this high. All right, so as what you can see, we are now forming a short-term downtrend pattern here for Toncoin. All right. And if you're going to look at its support levels, it seems like the support is at around these areas right here. So as what you can see, we are forming a descending triangle pattern. I'm not saying that you should be selling your Toncoin as well, but I'm just sharing to you guys my trading bias. Plus, if we are also going to look at our RSI at the daily time frame, you would also notice that our RSI is now slowly going downwards. It means that the buying pressure in a short-term time frame is almost over. And we might experience a short-term bearish trend in the next few days or in the next few months. All right? Now, if we are going to delete our drawings here and then turn on our moving averages, where prices are under these moving averages here, then tendencies are prices could go even lower. So the next support levels that I am looking at would be at around these areas right here. So this is the 100 MA moving average. So I'm thinking that maybe Toncoin would go down to around these areas, okay? And then consolidate into these areas. And then let's see what will happen if it will continue to go upwards. But for now, I am just focusing on the short-term downtrend pattern that Ton is showing me. So that is why I sold my Toncoin as of the moment. Now for our weekly time frame, if we are going to check it and then delete the drawings right here, you would also notice it here that we are now moving downwards. Okay, this one. All right. So as what you can see, so it seems like prices are now pointing downwards. And yeah, that is why I sold my Toncoin. But then again, please be reminded, guys, that this is just my trading bias. We might have different opinion. So just trade at your own risk. Now let's jump with Bitcoin. As what you can see, guys, we are also seeing signs of resistance levels here for Bitcoin. We are now slowly forming a red candle pattern here because we are at the resistance levels. Okay. So I think that sooner or later, prices could retrace back into these levels right here. Okay. To around these areas. Okay. But don't worry, guys, because if that will happen, then we are still good because that is just a healthy pullback. Okay. If we are going to plot our Fibonacci levels, there you go. As what you can see, we are just around those Fibonacci levels right there. Okay. So the best areas for you to buy Bitcoin again would be at around these levels. Okay, so let's adjust it to around $60,000 to around $61,000. And as what I've said, don't worry if Bitcoin would retrace to those areas because that is a healthy pullback. It means that Bitcoin is just trying to build up its next momentum to go even higher. Okay, and as what you can see here, if we are going to turn on our moving averages, then you would notice that the moving averages are still not lining up the way we want it to be. 100 MA is still on top, so it could still create a strong resistance levels here for Bitcoin, and chances are it could drive the prices back to around these levels again. All right, so that is our trading analysis for now. I hope you learned something. See you guys into our next videos. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.